Kiladan hadu saupu prangut ki Samla na kejala Meghalaya ki balayo Pdiang ya ki Shithi thungkam nakti Myntri ketenat pulih puthi ke Sorkar Pdeng usubhash Sorkar ha kajingalang ka balong ha ususu tham auditorium Shillong. Kini ki saupu prangut kilayo ya kakam Sorkar ha kitenat baper jong ke Sorkar Pdeng. Ha kini keju kasngi Myntri rang badu kari ula keren lengba ka video conference da kaba kam bakani ke Sorkar bamenta kalala ban ai kam Sorkar khambon baneki we par ki Sorkar hakishi post nam baladat.
Next is Francis K. Kalu Tandi. From Muslim Department. Kalu Tandi. Next, Sri Gurmeet Chaudhary. NEHU.
Modi declared in the year 2022 that the government of India will provide 10 lakh service to the youth. And our Pradhan Shevak, our Honorable Prime Minister, whatever he tells, he does this. And today is one of this Rojgar Mela. And today all over the country, more than 1 lakh youth have got their appointment letter through our Prime Minister. And as a representative of our Prime Minister, I become present in Shillong, and we have directly handed over the appointment letter to 48 people who were absent and from different departments. And at the same time, our Honorable Prime Minister have told that everybody to make login in Karma Yogi Praram portal, and so that they can become not as a serviceman only, they become the Karma Yogi to make our India as Vikshit Bharat. And for that also, we will be happy to know that our Prime Minister has inaugurated the Karma Yogi Bhavan Phase 1 in New Delhi.